LG Electronics is a renowned South Korean multinational company specializing in electronics and home appliances. In India, LG has established a strong presence, offering a wide range of products, including air conditioners, known for their innovation, energy efficiency, and durability. Model: US Q18TNXE. Type: split AC with dual inverter compressor. Capacity: 1.5 ton. Energy rating: 3-star, 2025 BE rating. Condenser coil: 100% copper with gold fin plus coating. Warranty: 1 year comprehensive. 5 years on PCB. 10 years on compressor. Key features: AI Convertible 6-in-1 cooling. Adjusts cooling capacity from 40% to 110% based on room occupancy and heat load, ensuring optimal energy usage. Viraat mode provides rapid and powerful cooling for immediate comfort. Diet Mode Plus enhances energy efficiency by operating at reduced capacity during low cooling demand. Gold Fin Plus coating protects the condenser from corrosion, extending the unit's lifespan. Auto Clean function prevents mold and bacteria formation by drying the heat exchanger. HD filter with antivirus protection ensures cleaner air by filtering out harmful particles. Pros: energy efficiency. The AI convertible feature optimizes energy consumption based on real-time requirements. Durability. Copper condenser with Gold Fin Plus ensures long-lasting performance. Advanced features. Modes like Viraat and Diet Mode Plus offer flexibility and enhanced user comfort. Air quality. HD filter with antivirus protection ensures healthier indoor air. Cons. 3-star rating. While efficient, higher star ratings offer better energy savings. Installation costs. Additional charges may apply for installation and accessories. Smart features. Lacks built-in Wi-Fi or smart home integration capabilities. Pricing in India. Flipkart: 37,190 Indian rupees. Installation charges. Standard installation: 1,199 Indian rupees, applicable within 30 days of purchase. Dismantling old unit: 500 Indian rupees. Additional materials. Extra charges may apply for items like copper piping, stands, or wiring. Installation charges. Standard installation: 1,199 Indian rupees, applicable within 30 days of purchase. Dismantling old unit: 500 Indian rupees. Additional materials. Extra charges may apply for items like copper piping, stands, or wiring. Conclusion: the LG 1.5-ton 3-star dual inverter split AC, US Q18TNXE, is a feature-rich air conditioner suitable for medium-sized rooms. Its AI convertible technology, combined with modes like Viraat and Diet Mode Plus, offers both performance and energy efficiency. While it lacks some smart features, its overall functionality and durability make it a strong contender in its price segment. Positive feedback. Cooling performance. Users report quick and efficient cooling, with some noting that rooms cool down within minutes. The Viraat mode is appreciated for its enhanced cooling capacity, especially during peak summer temperatures. Noise levels. Both indoor and outdoor units are described as quiet during operation, contributing to a comfortable environment. Energy efficiency. The dual inverter technology is commended for reducing electricity consumption, making it suitable for extended use. Design and features. The AI Convertible 6-in-1 feature allows users to adjust cooling capacity based on their needs, offering flexibility. Features like Auto Clean, HD filter with antivirus protection, and Gold Fin Plus coating are highlighted for enhancing air quality and durability. Areas of concern. Installation experience. Some customers have reported delays and unprofessional behavior from installation teams, leading to dissatisfaction. Additional charges for installation accessories, e.g. stands, pipes, are sometimes not clearly communicated up front. After-sales service. A few users have faced challenges with customer support, citing slow responses and difficulty in scheduling service visits. Cooling consistency. While many praise the cooling performance, a minority have experienced inconsistent cooling over time, requiring maintenance.